Good afternoon, Sunday afternoon. I've been working again on the truck. I've been carrying on the side over here. We cleaned up a bit more over here with russet to eat the rust dead. Then we went on the inside. We've been taking the vents out on the sides and started to just put russet on so it can eat so long before I start cutting out. And the same on the side. And then I'll buff and cut as soon as I've got chance, just to stop it of going further. The vents are that coming over here we've taken out from the inside and cleaned it. This is all being treated with rust stop to stop it, because this is at the bottom and this is structural section. I'm not going to cut it out, I'm not going to mess around with it. I'll put a plating over the front. It's getting sprayed with Tectile and oil and paraffin on the inside once it's all closed, so that can stop the rusting further. This side I haven't carried on over here. I took the inside vent out again, so we can get that section cleaned. Two vents are over here, left and a right one. Just clean them off and put rust stop on it. And here's the one vent's cover that we'll have to finish up. And once again, now Andrew's having his cigarette.
Amen.
Yeah.
Try to do that today.
Yeah. There's spots on the floor there. But other than that, we're getting it. I haven't completed the pillow work. At the top I've still got to carry on. But I've only got limited time when I come down to town to do work on it. This all got rust stop on. You can see how the rust preventive killer kills the rust. This truck is being shoved full of body filler. But I'm doing section for section. I'm going to red oxide those sections, get it in, and yeah, it's hot here today, but otherwise it's coming slowly, so hopefully we can get a done before we take it to road with the end of next month. She's got to go for COF once again. It's once a year trucks must get COF down South Africa, and then it's to go down and pick up the new license the next year. That's all for today. Thank you. Please subscribe and thumbs up if you like it.